Living in a modern apartment often means embracing the less is more philosophy, sometimes by choice, and sometimes because your kitchen is the size of a postage stamp. For the minimalist, a cluttered kitchen isn't just an eyesore, it's a mental barrier to creativity and healthy living. When every square inch counts, organization isn't just about tidiness, it's about strategic engineering. If you are tired of playing Tupperware Jenga every time you open a cabinet, it's time to rethink your space. Here is a deep dive into the ultimate organization hacks designed specifically for minimalist apartment dwellers who want a kitchen that feels spacious, functional, and serene. 1. The one-in, one-out golden rule. Before buying a single acrylic bin or tension rod, the minimalist must face the hardest task: decluttering. In an apartment kitchen, you cannot afford to store just-in-case items. Audit your gadgets. Do you really need a strawberry huller, an avocado slicer, and a garlic press? A high-quality chef's knife can replace all three. The rule: for every new kitchen tool you bring in, one must leave. This prevents clutter creep and ensures that your collection remains curated and intentional. 2. Think vertically. The walls are your best friends. When floor and counter space are limited, look up. Most apartment kitchens have a wealth of unused airspace on the walls and the sides of cabinets. Magnetic knife strips. Clear out that bulky wooden knife block. A sleek magnetic strip mounted to the backsplash keeps your most used tools within reach while freeing up valuable counter real estate. Pegboards. Channel your inner Julia Child. A minimalist white or matte black pegboard allows you to hang pots, pans, and colanders. It turns your cookware into a functional art piece. Adhesive hooks. Use the inside of cabinet doors to hang measuring cups, spoons, or even pot lids. 3. Decant for visual silence. Minimalism is as much about visual harmony as it is about physical space. Mismatched cardboard boxes and plastic bags create visual noise that makes a small kitchen feel chaotic. Uniform glass jars. Transfer grains, pasta, coffee, and spices into uniform glass containers. This allows you to see exactly how much supply you have left, preventing overbuying. Square over round. When choosing containers, go for square or rectangular shapes. Round jars leave dead space between them, whereas square containers stack perfectly flush against each other. 4. Maximize the dead zone under the sink. The area under the kitchen sink is notorious for being a dark abyss of half-empty cleaning bottles and tangled sponges. Expandable undersink organizers. These are designed to fit around pesky plumbing pipes, providing 2 tiers of shelving. Tension rods. Install a small tension rod across the width of the cabinet to hang spray bottles by their triggers. This leaves the floor of the cabinet free for bins containing sponges and dishwasher pods. 5. Utilize the top of the fridge wisely. In many apartments, the space between the top of the refrigerator and the ceiling is wasted. However, be careful. This can easily become a dust-gathering junk pile. Uniform baskets. Place 3 or 4 identical woven or wire baskets on top of the fridge. Use these to store items you don't need daily, such as cloth napkins, picnic supplies, or large serving platters. Because the baskets are identical, the look remains clean and intentional. 6. The magic of tiered shelf risers. Standard apartment cabinets are often built with shelves that are too far apart, leading to wasted vertical space. You end up stacking plates so high that the bottom one is impossible to reach. Shelf inserts. Use metal or bamboo shelf risers to create a second floor inside your cabinet. This allows you to store bowls underneath and plates on top without them touching, making retrieval effortless and doubling your storage capacity instantly. 7. Clear the counters. The toaster test. A hallmark of minimalist design is the clear counter policy. If you don't use a device every single day, it shouldn't live on the counter. Appliance garages. If your cabinets allow, designate one lower shelf as a station for your toaster or blender. The goal: aim for at least 70% of your counter space to be completely bare. This makes food prep easier and makes the entire apartment feel significantly larger. 8. Optimize your drawers with dividers. Junk drawers are the enemy of minimalism. When every tool has a specific home, you save time and reduce stress. Adjustable dividers. Avoid the one-size-fits-all plastic trays. Use adjustable bamboo dividers to create custom slots for your specific cutlery and utensils. Diagonal logic. If you have long utensils like rolling pins or oversized spatulas that don't fit straight, try placing dividers diagonally. It's a geometry hack that utilizes the longest possible line in the drawer. 9. Create a mobile prep station. If your apartment lacks an island or sufficient counter space, a rolling kitchen cart is a game changer. The workhorse cart. Choose a slim, 3-tier cart on wheels. It can hold your microwave, a heavy Dutch oven, or even act as a coffee station. Flexibility. When you're cooking a big meal, will it over to use as an extra prep surface. When you're done, tuck it into a corner or a closet to keep the floor plan open. 10. The weekly reset habit. Organization isn't a one-time event, it's a practice. A minimalist kitchen stays that way through consistent maintenance. The Sunday reset. Spend 15 minutes every Sunday checking for expired food, wiping down the inside of your fridge, and ensuring every jar is back in its designated spot. Digital minimalism. Keep your recipes digital. Physical cookbooks are beautiful, but take up massive amounts of space. Use a tablet or your phone to follow recipes to keep your shelves clear for essential items. Conclusion. A kitchen that breathes. Organizing a small apartment kitchen for a minimalist lifestyle isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. When you remove the clutter and optimize the layout, you stop fighting against your space and start enjoying it. By utilizing vertical storage, maintaining visual consistency through decanting, and being ruthless about what earns a spot on your counter, you transform your kitchen into a sanctuary of efficiency. Remember, the best kitchen is not the one with the most gadgets, but the one where everything you need is exactly where it should be.